Hi, and welcome back to Roatan. I'm Chris Inger.
I'm Sophia Fedio.
And we just wanted to wish you a very happy holiday season from Roatan. And today we are at a beautiful house on the east end of Roatan. We've actually left Roatan and we are now in a different municipality, and it's called Santos Guardiola. So we are here in this beautiful area of Gumbalimba Shores in Politilly Bight. Tell us more about this house, because it is absolutely stunning.
So we're here at one of my new listings. It's called House of Palms, and we're located here once again in Gumbalimba Shores. And this is a very unique home. This home has fully been renovated in 2019 and 2020 by Ben Welcome. Ben Welcome is a very well-known builder here on the island, and he does wonderful work, and we can't wait to show you the house. So this home is listed at $599,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom main house, and then we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment down below.
This is a great space for income producing downstairs, which is nice, and a beautiful, really livable home. And we're on 0.67 acres.
Right, so half an acre is fully fenced in. There's a little bit more outside of the fenced in area, and you have this wonderful outdoor living space, pool, you've got a bar, you've got a barbecue area, an outdoor bathroom. I just can't wait to show it to you guys because it is really stunning.
It's a beautiful home, and it looks like it's been completely remodeled, like you said, but you really notice it because it's an island home with all the modern finishes. It's very classy. I really like it.
It's fantastic. So you ready to go have a look?
Yes.
So check out that view.
It is absolutely stunning. We're looking over the North Shore, so we've got that beautiful turquoise water, and really this is all of your tropical oasis here. So if you wanted to cut those palms down a little bit to expose your view a bit more, you could.
Most certainly.
But they're gonna grow, so it's really no rush. But it is absolutely great.
And we're just gonna quickly scan this outdoor living space that we're gonna show you in just a couple of minutes. But first, we're gonna check out the main house.
Gosh, that pool looks so inviting.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, come on in. Wow. Look at this house. Great vaulted ceilings. You've got the recessed lighting, but there's so much natural light coming in because there's lots of large windows.
Absolutely. And it has just been tastefully decorated. All the little items are here. It's just so wonderful. You can really see yourself sitting back and enjoying this space.
Yeah, this is definitely a house that is literally turnkey. It is so livable and really great. You were saying that all the furnishings have been imported, so they're very comfortable, very durable.
New, and like, look at this. Imagine curling up and reading by the ocean, right?
Or maybe having your holiday meal.
Absolutely.
And not being cold.
And this really comfortable couch. You know, there's enough space here that you can really entertain and enjoy yourself.
Oh yes, definitely. And so, of course, we have this nice little butler's pantry here, which is great. But I think, you know, there's lots of storage, or if you wanted to convert this little space, maybe you needed a little home office, this would be a great little spot.
Or a little art studio with a great ocean view. I think I could definitely paint in here.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So let's check out that kitchen. This kitchen is amazing.
Wow, I mean, check out the view. Let's start doing dishes now.
So high-end imported appliances. We have a dishwasher, we've got the extractor, we've got, look at this, a commercial grade stove. Really it is nice. Just beautiful.
And of course, all the appliances are included, but as we go out throughout the home, there are some personal things, of course, the artwork is not included, but that just means you get to personalize your own home.
Right. And I just love this. Look at it.
Yeah, you've got cement counters over there. You've got the nice, beautiful backsplash. And of course, white is very trendy right now, so they're right on par.
But a little bit of blue right here just to keep things a little exciting.
Yeah, very nice.
And then let's talk about the wet bar.
Oh, yes.
You gotta have your wine fridge. You know, that is just a must for a girl like us. And, you know, it's just a really nice space where you can make your morning coffee, you can make your drinks, and it's just, you know, right here.
Again, I don't know if you guys can see this vaulted ceiling, but it is really beautiful with the plank wood. They've painted it nicely, so it looks great. And obviously there's really nice air conditioning inside here. And of course, we do have ceiling fans throughout. And again, the lighting is just so nice in here.
It's so beautiful. So we do have a screened in porch over here that we're gonna have a look at.
Oh.
And what I really like about it is that it's an outdoor fun zone.
A fun fun zone. I like
It's
that.
a fun zone.
And of course, we should note, of course, the really nice high-end doors.
So they
and
replaced
windows.
all of the doors and windows, so they're all high energy efficiency. Oh, look at
Ooh,
this.
Look at this little
Do we
game room.
dare?
We should
Do
try.
we dare? Okay, let's see what we can do.
Real hand-eye coordination here.
I
We
guess
should get
that's it. We probably need to practice some more later.
Probably so, but this is absolutely beautiful. You've got a screened-in area. It would be great for, of course, the games, yoga, maybe even make it a little office if you needed to work while you're out here.
Absolutely, and an ocean view.
Can't beat it. And of course, you've got the nice fan
Ceiling
as well.
fan, absolutely.
And it looks like the home has been recently painted as well.
Yes,
I mean,
absolutely.
the remodel in the paint, that's a lovely color.
I really do like this blue.
I do too. I might need to.
So should we
add
check
that.
out that master?
Yes, it's gorgeous. Let's go do that. So let's go check out the master with a huge ensuite, but we should mention it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So if we just quickly check out, this is the guest bath.
Look at that, beautiful travertine, really nice granite.
Look at this, it's just so beautiful.
Lovely walk-in
And I
shower.
love the colors. The colors really are calming
They're very
and they're just
soothing.
soothing. Yeah.
Very spa-like,
Very spa-like. And if we go right here, you've got the first guest bedroom.
which is perfect. It's a queen-size bed. You've got plenty of space, a little walk-in closet.
And you've got nice garden view.
Yeah, nothing to complain about. Definitely a good space to sleep in at.
Absolutely. But this master.
Oh, this master. It is absolutely stunning. Every possible little detail has been thought of. Of course, you do have your splitter aircon, which is great.
And that's something to mention. All of these homes have these mini splits. And so that allows you just to cool the room that you're in. I know that we've mentioned this in other videos, but this home does have the mini splits in all the rooms.
Which is great. Of course, keep that electricity bill down. And again, they have replaced all the windows, so you really are quite efficient here.
High efficiency, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And look at this dressing room area.
Wow, this is a dream for anyone that ever wanted to be organized. Absolutely a dream.
Absolutely. Walk-in closet. Look at this.
A his and her, very nicely done.
Look
And
at
then
all
you've
the
got this.
shoes so nicely lined up.
You've got a beautiful dresser as well, built in. Great.
And I really like the fact that we have the laundry right here in the master. Just makes things so easy. You don't need to
You don't have to take it anywhere.
Anywhere.
It's
It's
perfect.
right here.
Oh, I love it. And this is just stunning. You've got a beautiful walk-in shower. You have your toilet closet. And this shower is huge and beautifully done. Very tasteful.
I love the mermaid tile.
Oh,
if you can
yes.
just go in and take a look at that.
Oh,
I just
look at that. It
absolutely
shimmers.
love it.
It's
Oh,
beautiful.
God, it's beautiful.
And of course, you've got the beautiful double vanity as well.
His and hers. Everybody has their own space, and it's just so beautifully done.
It really is. Very classy. I like it. Very modern, very chic. It's very good.
Let's go check out that outdoor living space.
Oh, yes.
So here we are back outside on this wonderful deck, and we're located on 0.67 of an acre. This is fully fenced in, which is really nice. So half an acre is fully fenced in. And the lush grounds, you've got bougainvilleas, you've got a little herb garden down below,
And
you've
it's
got
just-
coconut trees. It's just lovely.
You've got it all here. It is really beautiful. It is a real tropical garden. It's quite gorgeous, and it lends itself to that easy income-producing apartment down below, just down the stairs. So it's a very easy, nice, good separation.
Absolutely. So let's just go downstairs and check that apartment out. So here we are at the private entrance for the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. And it's really nice because you've got parking here, you've got parking over there. It's fully fenced in, so it's safe, it's secure, and you've got all this wonderful parking space.
Yeah, you do have that nice electric fence, which is great too. So you can come and go very easily here. You've got a nice little private patio out here to enjoy. So like you said, you have parking over there, so you can really enjoy the garden from here.
And something else to mention is that here in Gumbalimba Shores, there is water access. So it is, it's not a beach like West Bay Beach, but you can get into the water, you can kayak, you can paddleboard, just a
Oh,
nice
yeah.
little added bonus.
It is. It's a short little walk. We were just there. It's really quite nice. You can get in and out of the water, like she said. Very easy. You can do some stand-up paddling. Very nice.
We both like to do that,
We like
absolutely.
that. And are these kayaks included?
They are.
Excellent. Well, let's take a peek inside, because this has also been remodeled.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go.
Excellent. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's a beautiful living space. This is a great place.
It's very spacious. So you've got dining, you've got living, and you have the kitchen. The kitchen down here for like a little apartment. I know I like to cook, but for me, it just makes it so much more inviting to have a space where even if you're here short time, you can really enjoy yourself. You can make yourself breakfast. You can make yourself dinner if you want.
You know, it's gorgeous because this is a little out of the way, right? Politilly Bight is a little further out. You're not going to be able to walk to a restaurant, but this full kitchen, this makes for a really nice stay, either long-term or short-term.
Short-term, absolutely. And just look at the imported appliances. You've got this range, this extractor, and the cabinets. You know, just all the little details are just so lovely.
Really, really nice. And you've got a big fridge so you can stock it.
Absolutely. So
let's check out the guest bedroom. It's really nice, and again, you have your splitters, and for being a garden apartment, it's still very nice and bright in here.
Absolutely, and tastefully decorated. You can come and stay, enjoy yourself without overthinking it.
Absolutely, and again, this is fully turnkey, so it does come fully furnished, ready to go.
Absolutely, and something else to mention is that right here we have ensuite laundry.
Perfect, everybody likes that. Nobody wants to go home with dirty clothes.
And a bathroom that's also been fully renovated. Very nice shower, countertops.
Look how pretty this is. And this is cement, which is great.
Yeah.
It's a really nice trend. Very eco-friendly.
And then what I would consider the master bedroom down here is just on the other side. So you've got privacy from the other couple or guests that are staying down here.
Which is really, it's quite important, I think.
Yeah.
And again, you've got your splitter, you've got a nice big bed, king size, walk-in closet. This, you can't ask for much more.
No.
Should we check out that beautiful, no, that's so scary.
I thought you would like it. It's just a little bit of a tarantula. No?
For me, no. Let me bring you a snake. Exactly.
Don't you dare.
Let's go check out that barbecue area.
Let's go.
So here we are up this fabulous barbecue area. And I have to say, it's so nice to have another space to really enjoy and kind of have a little separation. You get to look out on the pool, that beautiful view. I mean, really, what more could you ask for?
This is a great outdoor living space. Check out this bar. You've got a grill, you've got a sink. So basically you can do your whole entire meal out here and not worry. You've got a half bath right here. So if you're in and out of the pool, you don't have to worry too much.
You don't have to go in and out of the house, which is great.
You've got a secondary lounge area in case there's too much sun downstairs. You can come up here and have a little bit of reprieve from the sun.
Oh yeah, and separation if you do have your house rented out or the guest rental.
This is true.
No problem.
And no matter where you are in this outdoor living space, you have fantastic ocean views.
Is great, and a little bit of a breeze, which is really nice.
It's just so lovely.
And I guess we should talk about another thing since it's here in the house. Is we do have a automatic switch generator that was installed, right?
Isn't that lovely?
Absolutely huge bonus.
So if you spend some time here on Roatan, you'll learn that we get some power outages from time to time.
It does
so
happen.
this generator will help seamlessly transfer the power so that you never without.
Which is great. So then you don't worry about your air conditioning going off. You don't have to worry about your refrigerator. Everything is good to go within
including
a couple of
internet.
seconds. There you go. And then it also has a really large cistern, which is also a big bonus because, of course, we want to collect all of our rainwater that we can here, and then it's hooked into a community well.
Right. So one of the pros of being part of Gumbalimba Shores is that there is a community well, but this is a 14,000 gallon cistern.
Woo!
Concrete cistern.
Beautiful.
So, you know, and it's just been cleaned and refinished.
Sealed and ready to go.
Ready to go. Absolutely.
Excellent. So one more time, Miss Sophia, we are at Gumbalimba Shore in Politilly Bight on the other side of Roatan that we usually film on. And it is absolutely stunning, well worth the drive. This is an oasis on the island.
So we're coming to you from the House of Palms. We're listed at $599,000, and we're so grateful that you guys joined us today. Thank you so much, and we wish you guys a happy holiday.
Bye, we'll see you in the new year.